Hello and welcome to Mrs. McClure's Environmental Science class. Today we're going to be talking about air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is the contamination of the air by smoke and harmful gases such as carbon, sulfur, and nitrogen. There are three sources of air pollution. The first one is stationary air pollution. Secondly, we have mobile air pollution, which is the pollution caused by trains, planes, and automobiles. And thirdly, we have natural pollution, which is the pollution caused by windblown dust and sandstorms, pollen, and fog and smog. What causes air pollution? So air pollution is caused by these gases, which are carbon oxides, nitrogen oxides, and sulfur oxides. These gases, again, come from the causes that we just talked about, the stationary, natural, and mobile sources of pollution. So pollution is everywhere, but here are just a few key places around the world and in the U.S. We're going to focus in on a couple here in the United States. So the top 10 cities in the United States are from 1 to 10. Bakersfield, California is number 1. Fresno, California, number 5. And Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, number 10. Air pollution, the breakdown. So this graph shows us a little bit about the air pollution cycle and everything that is included within that cycle. Where does it mostly come from? So as you can see from this graph, gasoline-powered cars and trucks attribute to 42% of air pollution. Interesting facts. So here, this is a picture of fresh air being sold in China. So people are actually buying cans of fresh air in China. Notice from this graph, the ozone hole, the hole in the ozone layer is getting bigger year by year. So this shows all the way from 1970 all the way to the year 2008, the damage that is being caused to our ozone layer. This picture shows people wearing masks. So the air quality in Beijing is so bad that people are required to wear masks for their health so they don't breathe in the pollutants. Cons and disadvantages. Air pollution leads to atmospheric pollution, which causes acid rain, and this destroys plants and buildings. The acid rain also affects freshwater ponds and lakes. The acid rain destroys aquatic life. Fish eggs are not able to hatch if the water is very acidic due to the acid rain. Soil biology is affected too because the acid rain kills the microbes in the soil, so the plants can't grow because they don't have the microbes that they need. How does it affect humans? So air pollution can affect the health of humans. So we talked about the ozone layer depletion and over access to the sun's harmful UV rays that has been shown to cause cancer in humans. Also, air pollution causes acid rain, which over time can ruin the concrete in buildings and also stain the metal on your car, as shown here in these two pictures. So repairing those damages can be very costly. So that is another effect on humans. So interesting facts. So this picture shows London's Great Smog, which was one of the worst air pollution incidents in history. 4,000 people were killed in 6 days and 8,000 more people died within the next couple of months due to respiratory injuries. So what can you do? How can you make a difference? One of the major ways that you can make a difference is walking or biking instead of driving your car. Remember that we saw in the previous chart that automobiles, cars, trucks, those gasoline-powered vehicles attribute to 42% of air pollution. So by cutting down on the amount of driving that we're doing, we can cut down on air pollution overall. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.